ओके तो हमने पिछली क्लास में ये देखा कि कोई ऑब्जेक्ट जो है वो रेयर मीडियम में है और ऑब्जर्वर डेंसर मीडियम में है, तो उस केस में अपैरेंट डेप्थ और रियल डेप्थ के बीच क्या रिलेशन होता है। अब यहाँ ध्यान देने वाली बात ये है कि ऑब्जेक्ट जो है वो पॉइंट ओ पर था, लेकिन वो हमें दिखाई देता है पॉइंट ए पर, राइट। तो अब ये शिफ्ट हो गया, the situation of object is shifted from point O to point I, or this shift occurs in normal way, that means in the direction of perpendicular line. So the shift in the position of object from its real position is called normal shift. It is called normal shift. So suppose it is a normal shift is denoted by d, then d normal shift d is equal to OA minus IA, right? OA minus IA. We have calculated OA and IA. What is OA and what is IA? We have d is equal to OA minus IA. It is called normal shift, right? I have calculated OA. OA is equal to, here if we write OA is equal to, that is AI into refractive index of water with respect to air, right? It is OA. Now IM and AI is equal to what? AI is equal to OA upon a refractive index of water with respect to air, right? I am putting the value of AI in above equation. AI. Now OA minus OA upon a refractive index of water with respect to air imply D is equal to OA 1 minus 1 upon a refractive index of water with respect to air. अब यहाँ ध्यान से देखें कि OA क्या है। अगर ये मान लीजिए कोई कंटेनर है तो OA जो है वो थिकनेस है आपका, थिकनेस ऑफ द मीडियम, थिकनेस ऑफ द कंटेनर, आप जो कहें चाहे कह सकते हैं। तो ये T है, दैट मीन्स the normal shift D is equal to thickness of the medium into 1 minus rho upon a refractive index of the medium. This is the expression of normal shift, right? It is formula of normal shift. Then normal shift depends on what? The normal shift depends upon the thickness of the refracting medium and the refractive index of refractive medium. D is directly proportional to T and D is inversely proportional to refractive index of refracting media, right? It is normal shift. Okay.